I wanted to do an unboxing for the Stanley 50 quart adventure cooler. I don't see one online while I was searching to buy one of these, so I want to go ahead and give anybody else who's looking a chance to see what it's all about before they get it. So this is how it comes packaged straight from Stanley. I'm going to pull it out of the box real quick and I'll be right back. You can see they've got it packaged pretty well. Got protection on the sides. Got some nice tissue paper all around the body just in case your box breaks. Go ahead and continue unboxing with you. So here is the cooler. Go ahead and give you a good shot of that. And I will be right back with a tape measure so you can get all the dimensions. We'll just go ahead and open it up real quick just so you can see. I know this video isn't a great quality video, but it's more than I got when I was purchasing one of these. This is nice rotomolded plastic right here, all around here. It appears that the lid is rotomolded as well. The actual outside of the cooler is a little softer than the interior plastic and the lid plastic. So let me go ahead and get a tape measure and I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Again, this is kind of a crummy video, but it's more than I had, so I hope it is helpful to you. So here we have just over 21 inches. So that would be 1 foot 9 inches. At the widest spot here, we have 13 and roughly a quarter of usable space. And the depth itself is going to be just under a foot. Now, one thing I was curious about when I was buying this cooler is where this was going to fall out. This is typically where you have a divider, where you can have an ice divider that doubles as a cutting board. And I was unable to buy one of those because I didn't know the dimension, so maybe this will help you. So altogether, that gap is about 13 and a quarter at the top and roughly 12 at the bottom. So hopefully that helps you out. Again, I didn't have a cooler unboxing when I was buying this. Just wanted to show it to you. These things seem kind of cheap and inexpensive. It really wasn't a selling point, but you can remove these, it appears. Not quite sure how you do that, but looks like you can just take these off, get rid of it, whatever you want to do with them. I don't need them, so. But again, it seems to be a pretty durable cooler. It's more than I was expecting when I ordered it. I was expecting it to be a little more delicate. I have seen a few complaints online about the watertight seal on these drain plugs. It seems to be pretty solid in there though. The complaint I saw was on the size down, so that would be the 30 quart. Let's check the gasket in here. So it's a totally different system on the larger coolers than the smaller coolers. The smaller coolers, the 30 quart Stanley, they have an insert that actually fills in this gap. It's like a little plastic block, and it looks like on this one they just went straight through with a gasket. So that should be good. Again, I hope this was helpful to you. This was an unboxing for the Stanley The Cold for Days 50 quart adventure cooler. I got this on sale. I think I paid about $110 with shipping from Stanley's website, and overall I am pretty satisfied with what showed up at my door. Hope this helps.